Hey guys, Flegg here. So I am on site in the new year looking at this development which you've actually seen before. So let's have a walk round and I'll show you where we're up to. I'm back on site at this development in Derbyshire and it is a tale of two halves. So you can see that we've pulled out loads and loads of rubbish that was in there. That's all the metal that's going to be recycled. In here, this is completely clean now. We've taken all the rubbish out. We've done very little. So you might be thinking, that was weeks ago, Frank. Why has so little been done? Well, it's because we've cracked on with the other half. So all we've done here is empty it and put the drains in. So we've put drains in, we've put water and electricity in. We've blocked up that wall. That was a doorway previously. And that is about it. The whole property is just a shell now. We've realised that there's more work to be done on the roof. I'll show you up here. You can see there's actual holes in the roof. Those are holes in the roof. So we realise we've got to get those sorted. But up here, it's actually a beautiful space. Really nice space. If we weren't doing this for our stepping stones clients, it would make a lovely private dwelling. Really nice, characterful property. So this side we've done very little on because we're using a two-man team here that bring in subbies. This is my most tried and tested and trusted contractor, Nigel. So it's him and his apprentice, who you'll meet in a minute. And then they bring in subbies. So they're bringing in roofers, they're bringing in window people, etc. So there's actually, as we go into this second half now, the two-bedroom bungalow, this part is actually a much, much further forward project. And so what we've got here, we've got the drains. I can show you. Yeah. We've got our soil pipe coming down there that actually runs under these floors. It comes into this existing soil here, and you can see we've raised the floor. We're stood at the moment in the kitchen. This will be the kitchen. We've got an existing bathroom in here. So that's going to be a bathroom, and it already had plumbing, etc., soil pipe. And then we've created first bedroom. So this is going to be a bedroom here. And then you walk down the corridor and you've got your second bedroom here. Now the great thing about this is it's a self-contained dwelling. It's a two-bedroom dwelling, bathroom, kitchen. This wall here is actually soundproofed and fireproof, so that's thick enough. And the blue plasterboard is because it's soundproofing plasterboard. That is going to separate the two dwellings. And then, as you can see on here, because that's an external wall, we've got kingspan there insulating it on both sides. And you might think, well, this here is a bit of a kink. You can see we've eaten into that bedroom to make this one a bit bigger. It's to make it easier with the windows. So we've kept the existing window aperture so we can replace them. So that, guys, is an update on this development. We are rocking and rolling. What we're going to do is we're going to finish this side, so finish these two bedrooms because it's quick and easy, and get them let, get them occupied, get revenue coming in, and then we will move forward to this larger property back here.